Hi, friends! Have you ever wondered how plants eat? They don't have mouths, they can't walk to the kitchen, and they can't order pizza. So, how do they get food? Today, we're going on an exciting science adventure to discover how plants make their own food using a special process called photosynthesis. Let's get started. Today's mission is to become plant scientists. By the end of this lesson, you'll know what photosynthesis is, what plants need to make food, and why plants are so important to all living things. Are you ready? Let's go! Photosynthesis is a big word, but don't worry, it's actually pretty simple. Photosynthesis is the way plants make their own food. Imagine if you could make your lunch using sunshine. Plants use sunlight, water, and air to make the food they need to grow. Isn't that amazing? Before we learn how plants make food, let's meet the parts of a plant. The flower helps make seeds. The leaves catch sunlight. The stem carries water to different parts of the plant. And the roots drink water from the soil. Every part has an important job. Just like we need healthy food and water, plants need a few important things too. Can you say them with me? Sunlight, water, air, and chlorophyll. These are the ingredients plants use to make their own food. Now, here's something really cool. Most photosynthesis happens inside the leaves. Think of the leaves as tiny little kitchens. The leaves collect sunlight and use it to cook food for the plant. That's why leaves are so important. Let's follow the journey. Step 1 starts underground. The roots drink water from the soil. Then they send the water all the way up the stem to the leaves. Great job, roots! Next, the leaves take in air. The air contains something called carbon dioxide. It's an invisible gas that's all around us. Plants use carbon dioxide to help make their food. Now it's the sun's turn. The sunlight gives the plant energy. Without sunlight, plants couldn't make food. The sun is like a giant battery charging the plant. Now all the ingredients come together. The leaf mixes sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Then, ta-da! The plant makes its own food. That's photosynthesis. First, it makes food, or sugar, that helps the plant grow big and strong. Second, it makes oxygen. And guess what? That's the oxygen we breathe every single day. Breathe in and breathe out. That oxygen came from plants. Without plants, it would be much harder for people and animals to live. That's one reason plants are so special. Plants are everywhere. Can you see any of these near your home or school? Trees, flowers, grass, carrots, apple trees. Can you think of another plant? Pause the video and tell someone near you. Let's see if you remember. What 4 things does a plant need? Look carefully. Which one doesn't belong? Did you choose cupcake? You're right. Plants don't eat cupcakes. They need sunlight, water, air, and nutrients from the soil. Great job learning today. Now it's time for a fun quiz. Let's see how much you remember. Try to answer before I reveal the correct answer. What gives plants energy? Is it A, the moon, B, the sun, or C, the wind? I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's right. The answer is B, the sun. Next question. What gas do plants release into the air? A, oxygen. B, smoke. C, rain. Think carefully. The correct answer is A, oxygen. Fantastic! Last question. Which of these does a plant need to make food? A, pizza. B, water. C, candy. Time's up. The answer is B, water. You did an awesome job. Here's an amazing fact. One large tree can make enough oxygen for several people every day. That's one more reason we should protect our trees and take care of nature. Today you learned that plants use sunlight, water, and air to make their own food through photosynthesis. You also discovered that plants give us oxygen to breathe. Great work, plant scientists! If you enjoyed learning with Create with Joy, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and join me for another fun science adventure. See you next time. Bye! Thank you for joining this exploration of plants. Keep observing the nature around you and learning about the world.